Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract data from smart chips in your Google Sheets. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to extract data from smart chips into Google Sheets. Smart chips in Google Sheets allows you to add rich interactive elements like contacts, files, events, and more in your sheet. Although there's no direct feature to extract data from these smart chips into a formula, you can interact with them and extract information manually. And how do you do that? Just go to Google Sheets and open the sheet containing smart chips, or create a new sheet and insert smart chips in there. So I'm just gonna have to delete all of this comments so that I can clear my space. Yeah, so that actually works. So how do we do that? So we can set smart chips by typing at in a cell followed by a Google resource like all of these cells that I want to so I'm just going to click on any of the cells, and in here I'm just going to click on the at and add any Google resource. So you can use contact, so add followed by a contact's name, all right, or email, or even files followed by a file name, or you can use events, so add followed by the event name from your Google Calendar, and once inserted, the smart chip appears as an interactive element. So let's say I want to use this file. So that's it. The smart chip has been, or the smart chip rather, has been added. So you can also view data from smart chip. So hover over a smart chip to view additional data. So just hover over this, just hover over, then you can view additional data, which includes contact. So for example, if you added a contact as a smart chip, you're going to be able to view the name, the email address, and the job title. But if you added a file as a smart chip, which is here, you'll be able to see the file name and the last modified date, and of course access point. For events, you'll be able to see the event details, the date, and the time. So you can also manually copy data from a smart chip. While smart chips don't currently support automatic data extractions through formulas, you can manually copy data. So just hover over the smart chip and a pop-up with additional details will appear, which is this. Then go ahead and highlight the data you need. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on copy. So this is the copy link in here. So once you copy, you can now paste the information into another cell in Google Sheets. So if I just click on copy link here and I head over to another cell, I just click on another cell and I just click on Control V, you see that this has been pasted. And that's pretty much it. So for file smart chips, you can extract the URL of the file by hovering over the smart chip. So once you hover over the smart chip, go ahead and right click, and once you right click the file link, go ahead and select copy link, which is here, or you just hover over and click on this link that is here. Then once you're done, just go ahead and paste the URL into another cell, and you'll see that link shown there, which I have even done before. So that's pretty much the process. That is how, or those are the steps that you can use to extract data from smart chips into your Google Sheets. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.